how to make money online in 2022 and the upcoming years. There are a lot of things you can do to make money online. From my personal experiences, these are the best ways that I've found out to make money online. The first step is for people who have no capital to start, or they have very limited capital to get started, but they have good cash flow every month. So if you have at least $1,000 a month that you can spend, I would encourage you to start looking into dropshipping. So dropshipping is an e-commerce business model where you would buy product for cheap from China or somewhere else, and then you would sell it for a profit. So there are websites like AliExpress or like Alibaba, where you can find products for a cheap price, like for $2 or $5, and then you create your own store, like a Shopify store, and you list your product there for $25 to $30, or three times the cost of the product, and you would market that website on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok, and you would sell the product for $30, and then you make the rest of the profit. So usually the profit margin there is about 20%, and you don't need a lot of resources to get started. You can get a Shopify store up and running in a matter of days, and you don't need to buy the inventory up front. How it works is when somebody places an order on your store, you would then go into this secondary sites like that I said, like the AliExpress or like Alibaba or 1688.com, and you'd buy the product for cheap from them, and then input the customer's address so that the product gets shipped straight to them. So that's a drop shipping model. I'm not going to make a video on that because there's a lot of people already explaining that. So you can just Google Shopify drop shipping e-commerce or something like that, and then you're going to see a bunch of videos coming up. Just watch through them. And the other way that you can make money will require capital. The better way than drop shipping is with Amazon. You buy inventory up front and you send it to an Amazon warehouse in your country, either USA or Canada, and then you would do Amazon keyword research to rank your product on page 1 so that people will buy your product. So it is also a sustainable business model. In my opinion, it is better than Shopify dropshipping because with Amazon, you have greater control over the quality of your product, and you also have a lot of visitors on Amazon sites already. So you don't need to do like external marketing to bring traffic, unlike the Shopify store, because the people are already there on the Amazon website. You just have to make sure that your products are ranking for those certain keywords, and you have greater control over your product qualities, hence the better customer experience. So that's a second way that you can look at. But this is going to require a little bit of capital. I would say you would need a minimum of at least $10,000 to get started with Amazon FBA, because you would need to buy capital up front, and also you gotta have a marketing budget for the launch. And the third, and in my opinion the best way to make money online, is by making courses. You can make course on pretty much anything or any kind of a digital product that you can think of, because the profit margin with a digital product is very high. So unlike the e-commerce where you need to physically sell a product, like you have the shipping costs, you have the shipping time, and you have all that stuff. With digital course, you just make a content once, and once it's up there, there's no more cost for you. Of course there's a hosting cost, but that's like just maintenance. Like your profit margin is going to be very huge, and also the barrier to entry is going to be high, meaning it'll be easy for you to separate from the competition, because whatever you're offering is going to be your expertise. You could pretty much create a course on anything. If you're a yoga teacher, you can create a yoga course on flexibility, or you can create a yoga course for mind, body, and soul. Or if you are a programmer, you can create a programming course for interviews, like how to do well in tech interviews. The options are endless. You can create course for pretty much anything. And you can even create course on topics that you're not expertise in. Like, let's just say you have an interest in physiotherapy. You can hire a physiotherapist to create the program for you, and then you can then resell that. So you get the license to resell. That's a way you can do that as well. So those are the three options, in my opinion, that are best to make money online. Just to recap: Shopify dropshipping, Amazon FBA, and selling a digital course online. Hope you find that helpful. Until next time, take care, my friends.